consider young you?
Because you're my best friend. Say I died right in front of you. And you got out with all that money.
Hey, come on, don't think like that. We'll get out of here together. Please surrender.
Player 456. Did you have fun playing the hero?
Kiyun?